मैं डायलॉग बोलता हूँ, मुझसे नहीं बनती फिल्म में। शेख साहब ऐसे हो सकते हैं, अरे वाह तुमने ये बोलना था तुमने, ऐसा नहीं बोलना था।
हाँ, but वो भी नहीं एक्चुअली भूलते, बट वो कभी कभी जब भूलते वो कहते हैं नहीं यार तुमने फिर वो नहीं बोला ना, ये वाला.
Okay, never have I ever checked social media comments right after a project release.
I have.
Oh, how was the experience?
Huh? Well, depends with what project.
Okay.
No, but people have been very kind actually. इस प्रोजेक्ट को लेके तो definitely बहुत ज़्यादा. अगर आप अभी भी खोल के देख लें
हाँ, people are excited about this.
But yeah, मेरे साथ normally ऐसा नहीं होता कि बुरे comments आते हैं.
Okay. Never have I ever been extra nice to a co-star because they were on screen. They were my on screen crush.
हाँ.
तो मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत हुआ होगा.
क्या?
कि you somebody's crush on somebody.
Oh, someone's been nice to me. I guess I don't know.
Okay.
I've never been nice to someone because they used to be my on-screen crush.
Okay. So.
No, not really.
No.
I don't know. I've never worked with Vanessa. Vanessa was my on-screen crush. We never worked together. But जब भी मैं उनसे मिलता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मुझे प्यार हो गया उसके बाद.
Nice. Never have I ever taken a role just because it sounded fun, not serious.
So क्या?
Never have I ever taken a role just because it sounded fun, not serious.
What is that?
मतलब कि वो बोलने में जो नरेट आपको करा तो वो फन था लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट वाइज उसका कोई सर पैर नहीं था. And you said yes to it.
You know, I did this one film, which on paper, when I had read it, initially I thought, oof, this is so good. Saat Din Mohabbat.
Oh, अच्छा, yes.
Yaad hai?
Yeah.
And as I guess lots of changes happened and all of that. And uske baad, I got so scared of my own judgment of comedy and fun things that I never trusted myself.
Yeah.
Even now on set, I'll be like, you think it's funny? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Literally ask him. I don't judge my own sense of what is
Comedy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never have I ever improvised a scene and ended up in the final cut.
I think that has always been the case.
क्या मतलब?
कि आपने कोई सीन इम्प्रोवाइज किया और वो फाइनल कट में एडिट में लग गया था.
हाँ. ये थूक के चाटना नहीं, थूक के चाटना नहीं, चाट का पता नहीं क्या.
चाटने चूटने वाला.
चाटने चूट. Sorry.
Now this is also going by the way. ये फाइनल कट में आएगा.
नहीं क्या है वो बोले ना.
वो क्या था यार कि हमें चाटने चूटने का शौक.
ये आपकी लाइन है.
हाँ.
ये he improvised it.
Because I forgot the line, so I just made something up.
Because he was like, I mean, चटनी चुटने का शौक नहीं है. And I was like, but I was like, अच्छा कट नहीं हुआ तो फिर बस.
Okay. Never have I ever been recognized in public when I was not in the mood. कि आपको पकड़ लिया. And you're not in the mood, like you want to just like slide.
It happens, yeah.
When you're in the mood, sometimes people don't recognize you.
So okay, it happens.
Like I was doing this some gig with some brand. उसमें I was supposed to surprise people, उनके doorstep पे जाके. I was like riders food deliver जो करते हैं. तो कोविड का टाइम था तो मैंने चश्मा भी पहना हुआ था, मास्क भी पहना हुआ था मुझे और हेलमेट भी पहना हुआ था. अब वो दरवाजा उन्होंने खोला तो उनको तो एक ज़ॉम्बी दिख रहा था.
मैंने कहा ये कौन है?
ये कैसे पहचानेंगे मुझे? मैं चश्मा उतारा, सब कुछ उतारा, फिर भी ना वो ऐसे सरप्राइज थे कि
ये कौन?
तो नहीं पहचाना. बड़ी embarrassment हुई.
Okay, never have I ever given fashion or styling advice to my co-star.
Well, we do all the time.
We both.
Yeah.
Okay. You give the advice.
And we both him also.
नहीं दोनों मतलब ऐसे.
We both will be like, हाँ, this is looking good.
अगर सस्ते कपड़े पहनाने होते तो मैं इनको बताता हूँ. अगर महंगे कपड़े.
अरे छोड़े. He's a real.
I have seen his closet.
Yeah.
I know.
You've seen his closet?
Yeah.
So wait a second. You've never interviewed him, but you've been inside his closet?
Yeah.
Because we work
We
together.
work together. I styled.
Something we did. Yeah.
Oh, अच्छा.
Okay. Never have I ever judged my own old projects and thought ये मैंने क्या किया था.
मेरे तो बहुत ऐसे.
Sure. Yeah.
मेरे तो आधा करियर.
एक नाम तो ले ले.
Allah.
नहीं ना ले. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Okay.
I just spoke about a film, यार, which I.
No, this is good.
But not recent. ये बहुत पुरानी चीज़ है.
Okay. Never have I ever mentally cast myself in a role that went to somebody else.
फिर से बोलो.
कि आपको अगर कोई रोल किसी मूवी में अच्छा लगा हो and then you have casted yourself in it in your brain but somebody else has done it but you loved the character.
Yes.
Okay.
बहुत सारे हैं ऐसे
बहुत
मैं
सारे।
किसी प्रोजेक्ट को इवैल्यूएट ही ऐसे करता हूँ अगर मुझे देख के ऐसा लगे कि मैं इसका हिस्सा होता तो ही मुझे वो अच्छा बहुत सारी चीजें मैं देखता हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है ठीक है
सही. Never have I ever avoided watching my own project premiere because of nerves. You have watched it.
I have, but honestly, if it was up to me,
Yeah, you would
I
never.
would be in the bathroom.
Okay.
And there was one film माहे मीर उसके प्रीमियर पे मैं ना सिनेमा के बाहर बस गाड़ी में घूम रहा था
Why?
क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा यकीन नहीं था कि लोग आएंगे मैंने कहा, क्यों आएंगे लोग तो वो पहली भी फिल्म थी
हाँ।
हमारी
मेरी तो nerves.
बट हमेशा
play
प्रीमियर
havoc.
से पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोग नहीं आएंगे पता नहीं
Okay.
क्यों ये जब तक सब बैठ नहीं जाते और यू नो तब तक रहता है वो
Okay. Never have I ever had a fan moment meeting another celebrity.
Oh,
Like
और-
celebrity का मकसद ये नहीं है कि it's just from the show business but in other walk of life as well that you consider somebody so cool that you felt like a fan.
I think I saw Stevie Wonder.
You did?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Sure.
You met him? Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was in a LA parking lot.
He's not alive, is he?
He is alive.
He
Stevie
is?
Wonder is alive.
The singer you're talking about. no?
Stevie Wonder alive है ना भैया?
हाँ, वैसे
खैर नहीं
कुछ-
भी है तो खैर होगी Yeah, but that's great.
Okay, and yours?
यार मुझे बहुत सारे ऐसे जैसे मुझे यकीन नहीं आता था कि वसीम अकरम और वकार यूनिस मेरे घर पे खाने पे आ सकते हैं कभी
Oh.
और उसके बाद मेरा बच्चा उनको पहचानेगा भी
Oh.
ये कमाल था because my son is
अच्छा,
Babar Azam, so, you know,
Yeah, this generation
so he
changes.
asked me who are these people मैंने ये नहीं करना होता बेटा don't ask these questions तो वो बड़ा एक अजीब सी
Okay.
चीज
एक recently any series that you guys are obsessed about that you're watching?
You know, I've been watching a lot of films.
Okay.
Yeah, I've gone back to watching films for some reason.
Okay.
So I just watched Hamnet. It was amazing.
Oh.
अच्छा you did
Oi, 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 oi. I watched Marty Supreme.
Okay.
Amazing.
And yours?
yeah I just saw this series named Studio
Oh,
and
yes.
it's amazing
Yeah.
Okay.
मुझे बहुत मजा आया
That's your recommendation, guys.
yeah please
हाँ.
go and watch
Tune in. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.
Bas.
Best of luck. Huh?
thank you
Oh.
I think you guys are on time. We are always on time. We
Thank
always
you,
have to
thank
wrap it up. But
For us-
these are your cameras. You have to tell the
What do we
audience कि क्यों आना चाहिए आग
नहीं आना
लगे बस्ती
क्यों
में
नहीं
देखने
आना
के लिए।
चाहिए?
Exactly. ये फ्रेम देखिए और क्यों नहीं आना चाहिए? Come on.
जी मैडम
Guys, Aag Lage Basti Mein is coming out this Eid, and please spend it with us.
Yeah.
It is full paisa vasool,
Why
I
not?
think.
Why
What
not?
do you think, producer sir?
Absolutely मेरे तो पैसे लगे
See you all this Eid, Aag Lage Basti Mein.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
and
you.
this was all.